Key Success Factors Towards MICE Industry, a Systematic Literature Review. MICE, Meeting, Incentive, Convention, and Exposition Industry is essential to the country as it directly benefits entrepreneurs in the tourism sectors and contributors to improving the local economy. The MICE industry benefits the host city through economic growth as well as providing greater tourism excellence to the city. However, there is limited literature on the identification of critical success factors that play important roles to the success of MICE industry. Therefore, it is essential to explore the strategy driven by the industry by conducting a systematic literature review from existing literature and outline key success factors of MICE industry as well as highlighting the similarities of the findings on the topic. The crucial aspects investigated in the research are business, travelers, motivation, perception of MICE industry, satisfaction, marketing strategies, technologies, trends, and challenges faced by the industry. Systematic literature was conducted based on recommended procedure by searching multiple databases, data synthesis, and analysis. A total of 39 publications comprising full-text research papers published within 10 years, 2008 to 2018, were identified for the review. Conclusion. This study discussed the key success factors towards MICE industry in general. The key success factors can be seen through different angles and areas such as business, travelers, motivation, perception, satisfaction, marketing strategies, technology trends, and challenges towards MICE industry. From the findings, researchers have constructed essential elements that have been discovered, and the result has shown that they consist of accommodation, transportation, safety, security, and facilities as mentioned from the articles we have collected. Although other areas contributing towards the success of MICE industry have been mentioned, from our research, the elements mentioned above have been consistently highlighted and reconfirmed through a majority of the journals collected. Therefore, as a conclusion, this systematic review managed to enlighten and highlight the several areas that are of importance on the key success factors towards industry. A recommendation 1. There has not been united and compelling standards or inspection for the industry to follow and conduct a green meeting. The recommendation for implementation of the solution to green meetings lies in the official regulations, which should be mandatory to entire meeting and hospitality industry. The throw and the difficulties is example, need certification by US Green Building Council is more on index than officially mandatory regulation. The Convention Industry Council or CIC Apex Panel on Green Meeting and Event Practices has a specific list of practices in 9 areas for hosting green meeting and could be available online. 2. Event Standards Final Draft Ready for Content 2009. And the biggest concern or difficulty to comprehensively transform all the meetings into green meetings is the cost issue. Before the higher managements or the authorities of all the related parties involved with the meeting will still need more efforts and advocation in the long term. After all, the ultimate goal of implementing the meetings is to generate the actual financial profits. The meetings in the hospitality industry are still waiting in the pros and cons of going ideally pro-environmental meetings, especially with the currently prolonged recessions.